If you make a loud enough sound near a cliff or a mountain, then you can hear that sound coming back from the mountain.
Hey! Hey!
What do we call this second sound?
Hey! Hey!
We call this sound an echo. Today, we will learn about echoes as well as some other important things about sound waves. We know that light reflects off surfaces. Sound also exhibits the phenomenon of reflection. Sound waves bounce off after encountering any surface or a different medium. When sound waves hit a surface, they reflect back from that surface such that the angle of incidence and angle of reflection are always identical. Sound waves reflect off walls, metal sheets, and wooden walls. Sound also reflects off the surface of water.
Hey! Hey!
Do you think we hear echoes because of the reflection of sound?
Hey! Hey!
Yes, we hear echoes because of the phenomenon of the reflection of sound. Well then, why don't we hear echoes more often in our everyday life? After we hear any sound, the sensation of that sound stays in our ears. The sound persists for nearly 0.1 seconds, even after the original sound has stopped.
Hey! Hey!
So to distinguish similar sounds clearly, there has to be a gap of at least 0.1 seconds between them. So, in an echo, the reflected sound should reach us after 0.1 second. In that case, how far away should one be from a reflecting surface to hear an echo? Sound travels at a speed of 340 meters per second. We can hear sounds distinctly if they are separated by 0.1 seconds. In this time, the distance sound travels is 34 meters. Thus, in order for the sound to travel 34 meters, the distance between a listener and the reflecting surface should be 17 meters. That is, 34 divided by 2. Have you been in a big hall and noticed how any sound echoes many times? What do you think could be the reason for this? Sound reflects off the walls of the hall. This happens repeatedly till the wave loses its energy. This persistence of sound due to the multiple reflection of sound is known as reverberation. Sometimes during a storm, we hear thunder rolling, following a loud thunderclap. Did you know this happens because of multiple reflection of the thunder? The thunder is reflected multiple times between the clouds and the ground. Reverberation is highly undesirable in cinemas, theatres, and auditoriums. Hence, these places have sound-absorbing materials such as heavy curtains, fireboard, and rough plaster. Sound undergoes reflection and follows all the laws of reflection. Echoes are heard when the reflecting surface is at a distance of at least 17 meters, or the time difference between the original sound and the reflected sound is 0.1 seconds. Persistence of sound due to multiple reflections produces reverberations.